What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm going to learn how to make this font looks like this or looks like this. A very professional style. Let's get things started. First thing, you need to have your image on the design that you wish on Canva. Okay, so review the left sidebar of menus, go to photos, find the picture that I would like to have. In my case it's going to be this one. Then go to text, select the title, move right here, enter with your text. In my case it's gonna be something like this. Position it. Then on font, I like the Anton font, this one right here. It's one of my favorites for this kind of image. And I'm gonna change the color for white, just to make it faster. Let me change it just a little bit, make it bigger. Okay, now I'm gonna duplicate this. First I'm gonna make it italic, just like this. Let's duplicate and move it up. Click on the first one, go to font color, go to gradient, find this third option right here. Then go up, click into this plus button, add 1, 2, 3, 4 options, delete this first one. Into this I'm gonna make the whole transparency. Into this I'm gonna make the whole transparency. Into this I'm gonna make a little less transparency, 45 maybe. And I'm gonna change the position, just like this. And we already have the first design option, okay? But I'm gonna change the second option, the second layer copied, move it up to align, click on effects, go to hollow, and change the thickness, just like this. And here is the result I got. Then I'm gonna select both, group, and change just like this. And here is the result we got. We start with some amazing options to create nice banners, flyers, and other things that you need. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!